So a large drone dealer in Florida can no longer fly drones over 55 pounds after allegedly violating multiple FAA regulations. So here's what reportedly happened. An FAA official showed up to a training session being hosted by the drone dealer after seeing an advertisement for it online. And the official quickly found out that the pilot in command allegedly didn't have registration for the drone he was flying, and he was also flying it too close to a non-participating farmer. So for some perspective, we reached out to Adam Gittins. He's the president of Harlan, Iowa-based HTS Ag. They're also a drone dealer. And he says this case serves as a harsh reminder for dealers to make sure all their boxes are checked before operating drones.
Let me try and make an analogy here. What was happening, this person was driving a vehicle with no license plates on it. But not only did it not have license plates on it, it had never been registered. And when they got pulled over, they also did not have their driver's license with them. They did not have proof of insurance. They did not have their registration. And they were driving on the wrong side of the road. There was a whole bunch of small things that should be fairly simple and pretty easy to do that led to the action that the FAA took on it. Experience in working with the FAA, I've done that a few times. Their heart, their goal, and their desire is to educate people. They don't want to take action against people. I've seen them offer a tremendous amount of grace to people that just didn't know. But this is things that, especially as large of a company as this is things they should have known.
For more information on the case, we included a link in the article for this Technology Corner story on precisionfarmingdealer.com. In the Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.